I-95 north. We're about an hour and a half northwest of Vegas. As you can see over my left shoulder, this is Death Valley National Park. And we're on our way up to the Bishop Lee Vining area in California. We're hopefully going to get higher elevation and a lot cooler. It's really, really warm outside. You can see the temperature is 99 degrees. 61 inside, about a 40-degree difference from inside to outside the car. See this, but there's like a little dust tornado going on back in the background that we just drove past. Just driving into Yosemite National Park right now. We're on the northeastern side, driving on Tyogga, through Tyogga Pass. Alright, here we are at the base of Fairfield Dome, ready to climb the regular route. It's a 5.9 rating, 900 feet, 12 rope length. So it's about 6 o'clock in the morning in the high 30s, so it's going to be a chilly start. But we're the first ones here, so we should hopefully have the rock to ourselves for a little while and we can take our time. Yeah. Here we've got a little exposed traverse on like a kind of a super icy, just really small snow field. But this snow field is what stands between us and the start of the climb. And we're using our nut removal tool to kind of plunge into that icy snow just to kind of help us move across so we don't slide down below. So we are trying to make it to the start of our climb. We encountered a snowfield at the base that we got to get up. Did not bring crampons or ice axes, so we are fashioning our nut cleaning tools. We have 2 of them. You do makeshift ice axes and ascending one at a time up the icy slope.
On my knees.
On our knees. Doesn't look pretty, but it is necessary to be safe and to get us to the top of our climb. Sun's out. It's almost 7 o'clock. Hopefully we'll be on the route and climbing hard well before 8 o'clock. This is our face that we'll be climbing. Regular route, Fairview Dome, Tuolumne Meadows. Aaron was smart and brought gloves.
Lucky me.
How's it going?
It's harder than I wanted it to be.
You wish you had crampons.
Yeah.
Or just a good old ice axe.
My first ice climb ever.
With nut cleaning tools. Show us your tools. Get a zoom into those.
A little untraditional
Yeah.
ice climbing.
Multi-purpose cleaning tools.
All right, let me get up here.
Okay. You will check back in on the road somewhere.
Goodness. looking at our approach so far up the icy snowfields over some 5-0, 5 easy slab, we decided to at least tie one end of the rope in, and Aaron's going to go for an anchor point up there, just so we get something to keep us on the face in case one of us starts to slide, or at least not going all the way down, rocketing down on that ice, down to the rocks and the trees. So try to keep as safe as possible. Check back in a little bit. Good work, Aaron. Aaron, nice work.
So here the last step before we actually get on the climb is just taping up our hands to protect from abrasion while sticking our fingers and hands and alike in cracks. So this is what the finished product looks like. Once we get this done, we'll be all ready to start the climb. Just set up the first anchor and actually just finish the first pitch, the hardest pitch of the entire climb. So hopefully everything should be easy. We have our first anchor in the crack. The handy is down below. Look at the 5-9 crack. Just below me is the 5-9 crack. I'll switch over to belaying, and Andy will follow me up.
Okay, we're at the top of pitch 1. We got Aaron led our hardest pitch. Kind of in a resting / hanging belay, just kind of resting in our harnesses, looking back down on what Aaron just climbed and I followed. So 1 out of 12 pitches done. 10 o'clock-ish. Got a lot of day, a lot of climbing left to do. We'll check back in later.
It's Drew leading the second pitch of the climb. His first lead.
You can see Aaron down below. I'm at a good safe spot, good resting spot. He's doing some rope work, cleaning things up. I'm taking a break. Found some good natural protection. Just up this. And have maybe 30 more feet to go before the next police station.
Set up my anchor and we're getting ready to haul the bag. Andy's going to get jabbed up behind me. Picture of the valley that we're climbing in. Okay, 1 sec. Had a little snow slide that Andy saw just off to our left. Little mini avalanche.
Aaron just finished pitch 3. There's a little roof section which we thought would be difficult for the backpack, so we decided to haul the pack with our haul line, and I'm going to send the rope underneath the pack on these bad boys and then keep pushing on. Gotta keep moving fast, gotta get off this rock. We are at the top of pitch 4. Hardest climbing is behind us. Taking a break, getting some food, trying to calorie back up, get some stuff in us for our final 8 pitch push. Next 4 pitches will be our medium difficulty. Last 4 pitches will be our easiest difficulty, and then a walk off from the top. So super ideal to get easier and easier as we progress up this dome. We gotta start picking up time though. It's
Yeah.
4 o'clock. We started
5 hours of light.
Yeah, 5 hours of light left, and we've already spent 8 hours from the base of that snow. So
Got a ways to go.
time and efficiency is the game. Very good chance we will be finishing, or at least walking off in the dark. But part of the adventure.
Hours since we left that snowfield? Nuts. It was nuts.
That was on camera. I'm on pitch 6 here, about 80% done. Gotta stop and take a break because my right forearm keeps cramping up as soon as I try to contract my fingers, so need to let it rest just a little bit so I can finish the pitch and haul air up. It should be our last real technical pitch, hopefully. We've got some 5.0 and some 4th class, a few next pitches. So hopefully those will go faster than what we're doing right now. But going good. Weather's been amazing. No other parties on this wall. We had the whole mountain dome to ourselves. So it's really blessed with good weather. And so far good strong climate.
Stance on pitch 7. Just give you a little shot of how high we are and see Drew belaying below. Give you a little shot of where we've come. All up there. We're at the top of pitch 9. It is quarter to 11. We've got 3 pitches to go. Now we're reduced to climbing in our little bubbles of light and playing in the dark, or light, depending on the same battery. So keep on keeping on. This is Drew on the second to last pitch, climbing by headlight and starlight.
We're at the top of pitch 11, and we decided for route finding and for descending that would probably be safest in the daylight. It's about 2:30 a.m. right now, so we found a bivy spot underneath a pine tree on a little ledge, and we're going to try catch some shut-eye for 3 hours and then finish our climb and descent in the morning. You have to get creative when you bivvy, when you don't plan for it. We are sleeping on top of ropes to keep us off the cold rocks. Got my raincoat on my legs. Leaning up against the backpack, using my climbing shoes for pillows. And there's Aaron down there.
Hopefully you can get some rest.
Yeah.
We finally made the summit 23 hours after we started and left the ground. That included a 3.5 hour attempt at sleeping in the cold and dark from what, 2:30 to 5? About. So we finally made it to the summit this morning. It's sunny, beautiful, windy, and an amazing panoramic view. So I'm going to try to give you an idea of what it looks like on top of Fairfield Dome. Simply incredible. short little hike off the backside of this thing, and we'll be back to the car, ready to get some sleep, some food, and some hot showers.